here we have the 2-tier Christmas tray. And then here we've got this little bear that says Merry Christmas. And then we got this sign, have yourself a merry little Christmas. And then we got merry and bright, little penguin back there. And then if you go down to the bottom, you have another picture, and it says Farm Fresh Christmas Trees. And then here you have your little red truck with the headlights on, little disco ball down there. And then there's Santa, and then a waterfall crystal Irish ornament. And then over here, here's an angel with a really pretty dress. Bye guys. Peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free.